Oo, abay din kami ha. It was 30 years ago when I first married you, and looking back, I think that was the most significant and most important decision I made for myself. I know that marrying you, there will be a lot of things to consider, and we both know that this decision is irreversible and no turning back. But we hold on to our promise and decided to be together and to be one for the rest of our lives.
Hindi ko inaasahan na we'll be back here today together with our children, Kay, Pau, King, and Christopher to celebrate our 30th wedding anniversary. Salamat sa pagbibigay mo sa akin ng mababait na anak. You made me a mother and raised 4 amazing children we almost never had. I am blessed more than I deserve. And today, sa simula ng ating 31 taong pagsasama, sa harap ng Diyos, ng ating mga anak, pamilya at mga kaibigan nandito, I renew my vows to you, pledging my love for you. Pakamamahalin kita, aalagaan kita hanggang sa ating pagtanda. Papainumin kita ng maintenance mo, papalitan kita ng diaper mo, at makakaasa kang pag-init kita ng tubig. Magkasama tayong maghihintay what life may bring us sa mga susunod pang mga taon. Until death do we part. I love you and happy anniversary.
The God who was and is to come has been the same for me. After all these years, you've never given up. After all these years, you're constant with your love. It amazes me. After all you've done, it amazes me. You're still running after us.
There's a lot of memories that come to my mind. Good memories and great memories. We have ups and downs, but everything that happened through the years only made us stronger and better as a couple. Man, I know that I'm not the perfect husband, but you made me feel that I'm perfect for you. When I first married you, I was so happy, no doubt. But I'm happier today, 3 decades after that wedding. Simply because I know you better today. I know how perfect of a wife you've been for me. I'm sure you remember when you asked me if I will marry you again, and my answer was all smiles. Now this is now real, and God willing, I look forward to marrying you again 20 years or another 30 years from today. Today, I will repeat my promise to you that I will love you for better or for worse, for richer and for poorer, in sickness and in health, till death do us part.
After all these years, you've never given up. After all these years, you're constant with your love. It amazes me. After all you've done, still running after us.
It has been 30 years at lahat ng iyon ay napagdaanan natin. And one time bago ako umuwi ng New Zealand, naisipan konting na ng ating marriage contract at ganito na ang itsura niya ngayon. Gives me a chill na makita itong muli. Madilaw na siya, luma na, pero hindi nabawasan ang kahulugan nito. And it reminds me that was the last time I signed my name as Maria Filipina Yubibas. Isang lagdan na bumago sa akin. Magmula noon, ginala ko na ang pangalan mo. Nagkaroon ako ng bagong identity. Binigyan ako ng simbahan ng katuwang. Binigyan ako ng batas ng karapatan. At binigay mo ang kalahati ng iyong sarili upang tayong dalawa ay maging isa. At magmula nga noon, you've been there by my side. We struggled so hard in so many ways. We took every twists and turns in raising a family. And together, we stood all storms and carried a future.
You've always been the same for me. After all these years, you've never given up. After all these years, you're constant with your love. It amazes me. After all you've done.
Out of all of us six, we all know naman na ako siguro yung pinaka hindi ma-express ng feelings towards one another. I don't always say I love you or I miss you. Yes, since I always want to be seen as the toughest ones of the bunch. Pero mom and dad, gusto ko malaman nyo na I'm always here 24/7 whenever I'm far or near, whatever our age may be. Mahal na mahal ko po kayo. I love you. Happy 30th anniversary.
You're the best couple anyone could have ever asked to be your parents. You make us feel like everything's going to be okay. And you always know the right thing to say to make us feel better. I actually learned this one from you earlier. You told me, King, kung para sa'yo. And just being here today, looking at you still together after 30 years, na-realize ko totoo nga pala yung sinabi niya. Kung para sa'yo. Happy anniversary, Mami Dad. I love you so much.
Alam ko po yung sacrifices na ginawa nila Mami at Daddy para sa amin. Kung alam niyo lang po kung gaano kayo kamiss ni Mami at Daddy, pag may mga events dito, hindi po kami nakakauwi. Ginagawa po nila yun para sa amin. So, ngayon po, na kami naman yung may event. And nandito po kayo lahat. We will forever remember po your faces, this event. So, maraming salamat po. Nakikita ko po kanina si Mami habang nagpapapicture sa inyo. Sobrang saya po niya. Ako na po yung kinakabahan na hindi pa siya kumakain. Pero sabi po niya, nabubusog na daw po siya. Makita lang daw po kayo na nandito. So maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Hindi ko na po alam kung ano yung sasabihin ko. Pero maraming salamat lang po. And I hope you are enjoying. Hindi po talaga ako nag-prepare ng speech kasi baka matalbogin yung mga kapatid ko. And alam naman po natin lahat na ako talaga ang paborito ka na. So, yun po. Maraming salamat and enjoy po tayo lahat.
For 12 years, that's what we've been doing. We've been there for each other through thick and thin. Mommy and Daddy, I will always be grateful that you have chosen our future before your happiness. We all know how hard it is for both of you to move to a foreign country and leave all of your friends, your siblings, and your parents behind. Thank you for always putting us first. And this time, this is our way of saying thank you for letting us be who we want to be. Thank you for being such good and amazing parents. Sa sobrang cool po nila, pati po yung mga kaibigan ko, best friends na nila. And lastly, thank you for the guidance and the unending support.